Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I have a confession that I have to make to you guys. I'm sure some of you guys can relate, so if you've ever had an experience similar to this, please leave me a comment down below and let me know that I am not the only one. And if you're wondering what it is, stay tuned. So a few days ago, I broke my vlogging camera. It actually just kind of fell off of the tripod and it damaged my camera. It was just, I don't know, I've been kind of sad ever since it happened because I absolutely love this camera, and it was my first vlogging camera. Before that camera, I'd always filmed everything on my cell phone or on my iPad. And when my husband bought me this camera, I was so ecstatic because I really felt like an official YouTuber. And when it fell and broke the other day, it just broke my heart. I know it's like, it was very sentimental to me and I just couldn't seem to get over it. So the next day I woke up and I just kept crying. Like I had a bad day, bad night. My husband came home and he could kind of tell that, you know, through my text messages, I wasn't feeling well, and he canceled his plans and came home to kind of talk to me. And, you know, it started with the camera breaking, and honey, before it was over, I was a failure. The camera was a failure. Everything was a failure. I don't know if you guys have ever had that moment where like one thing leads to another and then it leads to another. And then it's like everything is just terrible. If you've had that type of moment, comment down below and it's like, yeah girl, I can relate. So that's what happened. And so in an effort to kind of get myself back together, I decided to go shopping. I was just going to go to Bath and Body Works. Innocent trip there to fulfill my free items. Shout out for the free item people down below. You guys who love to get your free item from Bath and Body Works, if that's you, let me know. Just leave like a little flower for a perfume or a bottle down below. But I went to Bath and Body Works to get my free item, and while I was there, I had to walk through Dillard's to get to Bath and Body Works. And it's been months, like literally months, since I've been able to really shop for clothing and things like that. I didn't go to any of the after Christmas sales. I didn't go to the New Year's Day sale just because, you know, people, right? You don't want to be around a lot of people. But as I was walking through Dillard's, things started to call my name. Like these shoes called my name and clothing started to call my name. And so because they were just screaming so loudly, I decided that I needed to have me a retail therapy day, a self-care shopping day, an emotional shopping day, whatever you want to call it. I had one of those. And when I tell you guys, when I have those emotional shopping days, whether it's online or in person, they can get rough. Like that is the worst kind of shopping I could do, because I really showed out with this shopping haul. If you guys thought that, I think last year is when I got all those shoes, around this same time. It's something about this time of the year. Like I think it was a year to the day that I got the shoes, and then I had this particular shopping haul. So that shoe haul was my biggest shopping haul of all of last year, because obviously we didn't go anywhere. We didn't have anywhere to wear shoes. But this time I bought way more than shoes. And I'm going to share this shopping haul with you guys. But before I do, let me know if you guys have ever experienced an emotional shopping haul or self-care shopping haul. Comment down below and let me know. Girl, I'm with you. And just stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I bought, and I'll share with you how much I paid for it. So let's get in. Okay. So the first thing that I picked up was this super cute, kind of like a cognac leather jacket. It is part of the Antonio Milani winter luxury leather collection. I absolutely love it, and I thought it would be great paired with this Antonio Milani skirt. So I absolutely love these two pieces, and I think they, you know, were a little bit of an investment, but I feel like they'll last a long time. So in complete transparency, these pieces were like $122 a piece, and they were 40% off. So I still feel like I got a really good deal. Next up are these really cute black leather pants. They're like the trash bag waist, and I absolutely love these. They are also part of the Antonio Milani collection. Of course, I couldn't just get the pants without getting the skirt. And what stole the show, you guys, was this amazing jacket. Oh my gosh, look at that. It has the peak lapel, the 4 buttons. Woo! It looks so luxurious and so super duper cute. So I love this crisscross neck. This is a Vince Camuto shirt. The original price was the original price was $79. It was marked down to $27 with an additional 40% off. So I am like this. If I love a shirt and it's really nice, my slogan in life is, if the outfit is nice, you have to buy it twice, okay? So I got this shirt in black and in brown. I love the fact that there's a little keyhole here, but it's kind of, you know, more conservative. And I love the fact that it zips up in the back as well. So these are gonna look really good, like underneath a suit with jeans or anything like that. I think it's super cute. If you guys wanna see a haul with me trying all of this on, let me know by commenting down below. Next up is this super cute green. It's like a Kelly green one shoulder shirt. Anyone who knows me knows that I love a shoulder out. I love the fact that it has a little tie at the bottom of the waist. It was marked down to $17.15 with an additional 40% off. So I thought it was really cute. It's by Sugar Lips, and I love this. I think it'll be a great transitional piece into spring. Casual clothing is everything right now, right? Like, so whether we're working from home or, you know, having a Zoom meeting or whatever the case may be, we love to be cute and casual. So I got these super cute sweats from Vince Camuto. I love the fact that it has like the ruching on the legs, and then the one cold shoulder out on this sweater. And these pieces were $27.95 and $24.15 with an additional 40% off, and this will be coming to a Zoom meeting near you. So I got this super cute clutch also there. I love this silver color. It's by Gianni Bini. It was $14 with an additional 40% off, $14.99 with an additional 40% off. And the reason I got this clutch is because I have two things that will match it already. It will match my silver boots, and as you guys can see, I already have the hook on the boots because you guys know I hang my boots up by the hook in my closet. So I think these two will look super duper cute together. And now that I'm introducing these are older boots, I'm going to go ahead and share with you my new boots that I added to the boot collection this season. So you guys let me know which pair of these are your favorite. So I am an absolute lover of pearls. I love these. These are by Betsy. I love the big pearls around them. They're kind of like a rain boot, but they have like a little heel on them, so you could wear them on days it's not raining, okay? Who's gonna stop you? Okay, so I love these. These were like $30. They marked down to $30 with an additional 40% off. I just absolutely love these boots. You let me know down in the comments below if you like these. Again, they were by Betsy Johnson. Riley said those were a go, but these sparkly ones are her favorite, right? Okay, so these are by Steve Madden. These are like the bling slides, the classic church lady after church slide. I had to have these. They were marked down to $27.99. I've already worn them. Like, I wore them out of the store because I had no intention on shopping. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, like left your shopping shoes and then bought shoes just to shop in. I'm guilty. If you're guilty, just raise your hand. We're not going to judge you or convict you here, okay? So I absolutely love these by Steve Madden. They were $27.99 with an additional 40% off. So let me show you. Ooh, look at that bling. Love those.
I have cat shoes, and I wore them while I was walking in the store everywhere.
Oh, are you serious? I bet you they are so comfortable too. Now these are a little wild.
Wow. I like the heel.
You do like the heel. Okay, good.
I like high heel boots.
Okay, okay. Well, I did well with, did I do good with these? Okay, all right.
I like high heel shoes.
Okay, all right. So you like the high heel shoes? Oh, awesome.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, well, go ahead and open that second box for me so you can see those and let me know what you think about those. Okay, so while Riley is opening my second box, I'm going to show you guys, and these, I know they look very similar to the boots that I got last year, but these are not the same boots, you guys. They're different, okay? Different color. They have the ruching down the front, and they're more of like a tan and brown, and my other ones are more black and white. So that's why I got these. They are by Jessica Simpson, and I just think Jessica Simpson makes some really cute, comfortable, and casual shoes. They were $27.99 with an additional 40% off. So I thought this was a great deal. Okay, so here is my last pair of boots. Riley, do we thumbs up or thumbs down these? 2 thumbs up. Okay, so we have 2 thumbs up. These are Jessica Simpson's as well. They have the ruching down the front. They're the over the knee boots, just like the ones I showed you guys before. I absolutely love these. They were also $34.99, excuse me. They were $34.99 with an additional, there you go. They were $34.99 with an additional 40% off. So I don't think I did too bad, you guys, with the leather pieces, and I think I spent like $400, under $400 for all the leather pieces, and then the shoes were like $80. So I don't think I did too bad considering I haven't been shopping in a long time. I feel like the leather pieces are gonna last for a very long time, and they will definitely be something that I can carry on throughout the year. And the last thing I want to show you guys,
Love the sparkly.
the silver is your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Riley likes the silver ones first. What's your second favorite?
Handbag and these sparkly shoes and those ones and those ones.
Okay, see, Riley knows fashion, y'all. One day, y'all, she's gonna grow up and be on a runway near you. She's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here's the thing, the last thing I want to share with you guys is this Creature sweatshirt. As you guys know, my husband and his best friend went into business together, and they started a athleisure line called Creature, and it's based off the scripture, we are all new creatures in Christ. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these, I'm definitely going to leave the link down in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this shopping haul. Let me know again if you guys have ever had one of these emotional shopping hauls. I'm going to tell you, it is just something so therapeutic about shopping. Once I finished shopping, I felt so much better, y'all. I went and had a great dinner, and I got so much energy, and I just feel so amazing now. So yeah, I spent enough money on all this to go buy me another camera. That's not the point. Like, it cost me maybe $1,000 to feel better, and then I'll pay the other $500 to $700 on the camera. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. That's it, Riley. Great job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this shopping haul. Please let me know down in the comments below your favorite pair of shoes or your favorite item that I hauled today. Hopefully I won't have any more of these emotional shopping hauls in 2021, but if I do, stay tuned because I will be sharing it with you guys. So if you're not a member of the Lux for Less family, I would love to have you here. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, and you are in just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!